Welcome back to our channel. What if your home was never stuck in one place? What if luxury didn't mean checking into a 5-star hotel, but instead meant taking that hotel with you, anywhere you go? Today, we're looking at something most people will never experience in their lifetime. This is the 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 motorhome, a $5 million palace on wheels. This isn't just an RV. It's a fully self-contained luxury residence, built on one of the toughest truck platforms in the world. In the United States, road travel is part of the culture. From cross-country highways to national parks, Americans love freedom, space, and the open road. But this machine takes that idea to a completely different level. This motorhome isn't designed for campgrounds. It's designed for people who want total independence, people who don't want limits. Who actually buys a $5 million motorhome? How powerful does a vehicle need to be to carry a 2-story luxury home? And what kind of life do you live when your house can travel through deserts, mountains, snow, and wilderness without ever needing a hotel? In this video, we're taking you deep inside every part of this Scania 6x6, from its massive engine and double-decker layout to the luxury living spaces, advanced technology, and the off-grid systems that make this moving palace possible. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle built for absolute freedom. Let's begin. For decades, the ultimate symbol of success was flying first class, staying in 5-star hotels, and vacationing in the same exclusive locations as everyone else with money. But today, the ultra-wealthy want something different. They want privacy, they want control, and more than anything, they want freedom. This is exactly why motorhomes like the Scania 6x6 exist. In the United States, RV culture has always been about independence. The ability to wake up somewhere new every day, to explore national parks, deserts, coastlines, and mountain ranges without being tied to one place. But traditional RVs still come with limits. They rely on campgrounds. They need hookups. They struggle off-road. And they're often built more for convenience than durability. This Scania motorhome was created to remove every one of those limits. It's designed for people who don't want to ask permission to travel, people who don't want to depend on hotels, airports, or infrastructure, people who want to live comfortably, even in the most remote places on Earth. For high-net-worth individuals, time is the most valuable asset. With a motorhome like this, there's no check-in time. No security lines. Your home is always with you. Your schedule is your own. This is especially appealing in America, where long distances, wide open land, and diverse terrain make road-based luxury travel incredibly powerful. You can go from the deserts of Arizona to the forests of Montana to the snow-covered landscapes of Alaska without ever leaving your comfort zone. This motorhome also exists because modern buyers want resilience. Global uncertainty, privacy concerns, and the desire for self-sufficiency have pushed luxury into a new direction, one that values independence over excess. This Scania 6x6 isn't about showing off at a campground. It's about having the ability to disappear comfortably. It's about owning a space that moves with you, protects you, and supports you no matter where you choose to go. And to understand how that's even possible, we need to look at the company behind the machine and the engineering power that makes this moving palace a reality. Scania is not an RV company. They build heavy-duty trucks that traverse some of the toughest terrain on Earth. From long-haul freight trucks in Europe to military-grade vehicles, their reputation is unmatched. The 6x6 motorhome uses a Scania chassis, giving it unparalleled strength, durability, and reliability. This isn't just a home on wheels. It's a fully engineered machine. It can handle extreme weight, rough terrain, and long distances without compromise. What does that mean for you? It means you're driving a vehicle designed to last decades, survive off-grid adventures, and carry everything you need in absolute comfort. And under the hood, the power is staggering. The engine powering this beast is estimated at 600 to 770 horsepower, with over 3,500 Newton-meters of torque. It's a 6x6 drivetrain, meaning all 6 wheels drive the motorhome, giving it unrivaled traction. deserts, mud, snow, steep hills. None of it slows this machine down. The suspension is fully adjustable, allowing the vehicle to handle weight shifts from a full upper deck and all the onboard luxury without compromise. Despite its size, this motorhome is surprisingly agile. Thanks to advanced traction and steering systems, it handles long American highways and rugged backroads with confidence. In short, it's luxury meets brute force. Now let's talk about the layout, and this is where the magic happens. This motorhome is double-decker, with 2 full floors of living space. The lower deck contains the driving cockpit, guest lounge and dining area, full kitchen, guest bathroom. Upstairs, you'll find master bedroom with king-size bed, private office, walk-in closet, luxury bathroom, panoramic lounge. This isn't a cramped RV. This is a full residential experience, built for comfort and separation. Privacy is maintained, yet you have open, flowing space. From the outside, it looks like a rolling fortress. The body is made from reinforced composites, and the windows can be bullet-resistant if desired. Roof-mounted solar panels feed the battery system. Hydraulic leveling systems keep the motorhome stable no matter where it parks. Storage compartments hide away everything you need: bikes, off-road gear, even small vehicles. You can customize it with rooftop observation deck, drone launch pad, satellite communications systems. This is a self-contained mobile mansion. Step into the driver's seat and you'll see digital dashboards, heads-up display, 360-degree cameras, night vision, adaptive cruise and terrain modes. Despite its size, it's surprisingly intuitive to drive. Electronic systems manage weight distribution, suspension height, and traction control. You're not just driving a vehicle. You're commanding a fully equipped machine of exploration and luxury. Step into the main lounge, and you'll feel the difference immediately. Hand-stitched leather sofas, heated floors, real wood accents, ambient LED lighting, panoramic windows for breathtaking views. Entertainment is cinematic. Dolby Atmos surround sound, satellite television and gaming setup. This lounge alone is more luxurious than many apartments in major US cities. The kitchen is fully residential. Full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, oven and microwave, wine fridge and espresso machine, stone countertops. Water is supplied by a 1,000-liter tank with advanced filtration. You can cook gourmet meals anywhere, from deserts to mountains, fully off-grid. This isn't RV food. This is Michelin-quality dining. Upstairs, luxury reaches another level. The master bedroom features king-size mattress with memory foam, soundproof walls, climate control, skylight for stargazing. The bathroom, rainfall shower, heated towel racks, marble finishes, luxury vanity. It's 5-star hotel comfort anywhere in the world. What really sets this motorhome apart is its self-sufficiency. Solar panels plus generator for power, massive battery bank, diesel and water reserves, water recycling and waste management. You can live weeks without external support. Whether it's Alaska, the Nevada desert, or a remote mountain pass, you're fully independent. Freedom has never been so luxurious. Owners can customize nearly every aspect. Interior materials: leather, wood, marble, armor and security systems, advanced tech, satellite, Starlink, drone docking, exterior paint and graphics. This motorhome is as personal as your home, just mobile. The base price sits around $5 million. Add in customization, technology, and armor, and the cost rises even higher. This isn't just a purchase. It's a lifestyle investment. The buyers are typically celebrities, billionaires, extreme adventurers seeking comfort and freedom. This motorhome is for people who refuse to stay in hotels, want complete privacy, need off-grid capability, value both comfort and mobility. If you're living life on your own terms, this is a vehicle that delivers. The 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 is powerful, luxurious, self-sufficient, a statement of freedom. It changes the way you travel and the way you think about what a home can be. Would you live in it? Would you drive across America with your home on your back? This isn't a question of money, it's a question of lifestyle. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the most extreme motorhome in the world. If you loved this video, comment below with your dream travel destination. Hit like if you drive a $5 million palace across the country. And don't forget to subscribe for more luxury vehicle tours. Your next adventure could be just a motorhome away.